Now that is spooky. The ladies are a bit nervous about these plants. They're actually called Eremurus, or foxtail lilies. Beautiful plant. But that's how they come. And if you want like a border like this, it's only about 3 foot wide, but you want something with a bit of height that gives you that cottage garden feel. This is absolutely perfect because it'll grow 3 or 4 foot tall spikes of orange, yellows, beautiful whites. There's some glorious colours around. Now I'm planting Cleopatra, which produces dense flower spikes of burnt orange. Wonderful in the back of a border. And Stenophilus, a striking golden yellow. That's a real standout plant. Both grow to around 120 centimetres. That's 3 to 4 feet in old money. And flower June to July. You've got something to look forward to. Now, it couldn't be simpler to do, but you've got to follow a few instructions. So, into a bucket of water for about 2 hours, roughly 2 hours. It wouldn't matter if you left it overnight. And it gives it a chance to swell up. A great deal like dahlias, really, to be honest. Now, this bulb has swollen up now. That's taken on a lot of moisture that it would have to take quite a while to do. It's starting to burst with life there. And then you're putting this in. Now, Eremurus do like fierce drainage. So this ground is quite heavy. It's quite heavy soil with quite a lot of clay in it. And what you need to do is use a bit of alpine grit. The alpine bit is just the fact that it's very fine grit. And you're only going down about 3 inches, 3 to 4 inches, which is about 75 to 100 mil. Just ease that out and just mound it up slightly in the centre, just like that. And then we're putting some grit in. They really do like fierce drainage, so you're not going to ever do any harm with this. It's going to sit on this and be away. So there's your base for your Eremurus. There's the plant going in, and that is beautiful. So that's all ready to go, and all you need to do then is just cover it over, just firm it down, give it a good soak, because even if it's damp and it's moist, it needs water. Whenever you plant a good soak, and that's going to be beautiful, I promise you. The colours, because what you do with these plantings is you forget you've done it. It must be time for a cup of tea. It really must be time for a cup of tea.